My quick tip today is how to use your dies and some adhesive sheet to actually create stickers that make it much easier for you to actually create your cards. So we're going to use some glitter paper and adhesive sheet. So I've cut these to be about the same size and it's deep enough to be able to take my die. At the end of the sheet you've got a peel here which allows you to actually peel up and still gives you a tiny margin that you can hold down. The idea with this is so that you don't put your fingers into the glue. Anywhere that you put your fingers you'll lift the glue and so it won't have any to stick. So the idea then is to lay your paper down on the sheet, and I like to take a bone folder and just press that from the back. That then has created a piece of card that has got adhesive on the back. So now you can run this through your die, or run the die through with it, and that's what I've done with this happy birthday. We've actually now got adhesive on the back of this. You can press this out like that, and you can push out the extra pieces from the middle of the die if you wish. It doesn't really matter because we're actually going to peel the backing off. So the main thing to do is make sure that you don't get the little bits stuck in this inside. So what I'm going to do, I've got a square to be able to put this on, as I've done it on my main card, and I just peel off the backing. Now I need to make sure that there's nothing left on those inside bits, so just press those out, being careful not to touch the adhesive too much if you can manage it. And I'll just turn that over and remove that little bit that's there. And now we've got a sticker that we can actually use, much easier than managing liquid glue that tends to slop out the sides. I then also just turn it over and rub again to help the adhesive stay as bonded as I can. And that's what I've done. I've used it to create this little happy birthday here and my little banners to create this card here. So I hope that tip helps, and please subscribe if you find these tips helpful. Thank you.